The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in
Morning, guys.
listen-only mode.
John, good morning. Let's start out with a sound check. Morning, Dennis, Anthony, Todd. Sound is good? Okay. The way that, thank you, Deepak. Guys, good, thank you. The way that GoToWebinar has acted of late, that's my first order of business. Guys, very good morning. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was another terrific order flow trade and a reasonable bot trade. At the end of the day, we left with the original bot down, but that finished up for the day. I did run it this morning. I have shut it off. The original bot trading an Apex account is up 320. And I don't have this long, but I also don't have that miss short. So it's up 320, first targets only. Apex is overwhelmed with PA accounts, can't keep up with the transfer from EVA. How do you know, Mark? Speculation, or they told you that? That came from them, or you're just speculating on that? In any event, guys, good morning. Very good morning to you all. Today, of course, is Wednesday. It is crude inventory day. While I do not trade crude all that much, I do offer potential signals on crude, or at least I offer what I'm seeing on crude. You did not get your PA account, so you might be right. Mark got 3 out of 4. Okay, so Apex, yeah, Todd's saying the same thing. He's waiting 24 hours for them to process a new PA account as well. I guess, let's see here. Due to the explosive growth of Apex and the large number of past evaluations, yesterday there is a slight backlog in our system that sends out the notification emails. While we try to get these out quickly, they can take up to 48 hours to be sent. Do not trade those accounts, as we do not want you to risk your past account. You should receive your email, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So apparently Apex is having some issue keeping up with the demand. It's a nice problem to have. It's always a nice problem to have. In any event, we are here. And we'll trade what we see today, guys. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. I will do what I do every day. I'll read the disclaimer, and we'll take a look at charts. We do have some news this morning, although it's not anything. It is significant, 4-star news, but nothing significant. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Good morning, Raul. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. I'll talk about the trend bot later. All right, so the 2-minute is rising, which is kind of what I thought we might see. Trend bot's in a trade right on the open. ES is in a trade right on the open. Okay, closed out up 415 on the trend bot. I made a bunch of changes to the bot. I took off a lot of stuff. Got one contract trade on the ES. Here, I'll leave that there. We're struggling in here. NASDAQ's going to struggle right where it is. It's probably going to fail here. I'm going to short it here. I shorted NASDAQ. Target 1 filled. I have an open runner. Flat. Flat. I don't think it's going anywhere here, though. I think it fails. 65 is the breakdown. Choppy. Short. Here comes that. Here's your short. This was the 2-minute went up, rose, and now failed. Should come down to 54, 55, 56 area. ES, I can only watch so much stuff, guys. We traded into that zone and failed. ES is coming down as well. Works a little better when it's slower. We're shorts, guys. We're shorts. It's bullshit volume, but it's short. Target is 50, call it 56 from here. Target 156. There it is. Now it's a free trade. Free trade. ES quasi hanging in there. All right, NASDAQ trend bot is short. Not a trade I dig. I don't like selling bottoms. I'm watching for the long, guys, but the long for me would be probably around 79.80 if it's going to go long. So ES is hanging in there. NASDAQ, not so much, but small net sellers, 400 at the moment. Looking at it on the hourly. We're trying to hold the hourly. Everything is shorts, guys. Everything is shorts. So far, not small, nothing day. Patience. At least we have a little bit of expansion down. All right. The trend bot added 3 contracts on ES long. NASDAQ breaking down further. I think this can get to 42. Come on. Get running, baby. Get running. ES moving up. NASDAQ could follow. NASDAQ took 1 contract off. Oh, it went long. I'm sorry, went long. NASDAQ's long. ES, $600 trade. I'm not using the high watermark or trade goal. That's why I was getting snapped out of all those trades. Okay, so the only way to do this is to sell them manually because I'm not using targets. All right, ES bot is up 587. I missed the long. I told you this could be all right. Come on, you son of a bitch. There we go. God dang, I hate this. All right, NASDAQ bot on the trend bot, now up 1,085. Thousand buyers came in. They just snapped the necks of the shorts, and I missed my long. Fudge. Traded into resistance again on the NASDAQ. Small nothingness here, small resistance here. It's almost not worth anything. Watch for the rollover again. The original bot is going to go long. 500 plus buyers. God dang it, I missed a trade. Screwing around with the bot. All right, the original bot is now long. Push, baby, push. Going up, fellas. Let me move this for a second. There we go. $10 still short. Hourlies are still short. Just a retracement. So when the 2-minute rolls, or if my 30 range turns over, I'll be short. Unless this takes that swing high about 107.5. We traded into yesterday's close. Small sellers in here. I like longs, guys. Back up to 06. Here we go. ES Trendbot, long with 4. It's out. Made 250. It's out. ES Bot, Trendbot is up over 1,000. Its trades are so quick. We're now here we go. Here comes the push right here. If you took 96 long, target 1 is achieved. Come on, 1 more tick, 2 more ticks. Don't be like that. All right, we're back below VWAP. Whoop. If this rolls over, I'll take the short. We're hanging on to the 2-minute cloud. We have 12, almost 1,300 net buyers. I'm not digging shorts, guys. This should get target and push up to 16.5. One more clean candle here and it's gone. 16.5 is your next target. I don't like how we're starting to flatten out here. We're holding daily support, but if this turns, I'm going to short it. $1,200 buyers. Closing in on, no, losing buyers. This VWAP fight is going on here. We're going to roll. Not yet. Next candle, I'll be short. If this candle dumps and goes red, I'm short. Nope. Back up to 1300. We're fighting this VWAP. I'm going to be short, guys. Target filled. Free trade. We're not going far. Out even. There we go. All right, I'm going to change accounts. This is up 590. I'm changing accounts. ES is long 1 on the trend bot. Currently up $1,063 with 1 on. This thing still can't get target 1. All right, Gene. This thing still cannot get 11 points. When she does, what the hell is stopping it here? Nothing. Just a high volume node. Nothing. 1,300 buyers. All right, target 1 filled on the original bot. Target 1 filled on the original bot. Here we go. Now let's see if we can go up and get 62 and a half handles, baby. Okay, stops at break even. Next target, 62 handles away. NASDAQ on the trend bot, long 1. ES on the trend bot, long 1. Let me look at bigger time frames. We run into trouble at 28. Hourlies are trying to push up. Hourlies above 28, we go 46. Guys, when it slows down, I'll tell you the changes I've made to the trend bot. Okay. Here's where it looks. We're going to go to 139. We're headed to 139, above that 172. 28 is going to be a little bit of rejection. 10-minute is turned up. Hourlies are fixing to go long. I think this NASDAQ goes to 173. NASDAQ on the trend bot trying to get to 35 and get that target. This is up 1445 today. So we rejected right where I said we would, 28. Can somebody tell me why we rejected 28? Nice job, Mark. Can somebody tell me why we rejected 28? Nobody? Come on, guys. Order flow, guys. Nope. No standard deviation. Nope. Not volume profile. Not the point of control. You guys are just guessing. Anybody that's taken the order flow class should know this. Who trades a fucking 1 minute on this with a standard deviation? Okay, let's go with that. Back test. Come on, let's go. Give me a back test. You guys aren't watching enough time frames. Maybe a pullback to 90. Oh, there's a small short here. I missed it again. Come on. 105 is a shard of support. We have 2,000 net buyers, so I'm not inclined to want to take shorts at this point, but I will for trades. $10-minute, Chris. But I'm not looking at a 15-minute, but 10-minute. Yes, you're correct. All right, the bot took the runners out up 700. All right, guys, let's see where we're at here. We should hold 85 area if we come down this support zone in here, 82 to 85. Now let's take a look at ES. ES is along here. ES Trendbot is long with 1. Small sellers. All right. So we've got incongruency now. Our big time frames are short. Small time frames were up, and the small time frame is going to roll over. ES is going to pull back to 54, 55, and the NASDAQ rolls over 81, 82 if it gets there. back to 74, which was yesterday's low. A break below 82 probably takes us 67. It may be really slow, but that's where it's headed. On a break of 82. So call it there. If that breaks, again, I have no way of knowing if it does. But if that area breaks, it looks like it's gonna. Right here, guys. Candle closed below that little trend line. Probably starts that move. Move back above VWAP. Let me go to a 5-minute on this chart here, guys. I like SPY calls, 444s. SPY is also holding VWAP and its moving averages. But dang, it's slow. I'm going to short this NASDAQ on a break of that trend line. But I need the candle to fully close. We do have support at 89. Got to get below 90. Never mind. I'll try a small short 07 if it gets up there. I'll sell 4 at 07. Not much in the way of buying right here. All right, I'm short 4. Come on down. This doesn't immediately bust lower. I'll take it off. Come on down. Back down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me that target. Give me that target. Come on. Gave me ticks, no target. It's holding above VWAP. Come on. Fail. Give me that target. A little more. It's holding VWAP. Come on. Couple more. Got it. Target 1 filled. Now free trade. Free trade. Let's dump down to 82 and then go. I'll be flat, guys, about break even. It's just sitting at VWAP. I'm out. I'm flat. Still think this is going to puke. Yep. Watch this below this level here, guys. We're close. I'll sell it again, but hang on. Short it. It's coming down. Come on, give me this. This is my short, 82. I think we come down. I just don't want to short ahead of that support. That or the next 2-minute bar. I either get the break on the, let's see here, 22 seconds. I got a minute 22. It's either got to break down below that chartreuse line or the next 2-minute bar starts to push. Losing buyers. It is technically a short here, but the stop is too big from here. Come on, break down. 50 seconds to the next 2-minute bar, and I think we go. It's short. Come on. That's the breakdown. 700 sellers in this 3-minute bar. Come on. Oh, don't you do it. Are you kidding me? 77 quarter. All right, target one filled. This could be the breakdown. 67's next target. 67. But this could be the crapper. 2-minute close below the 2-minute cloud. This could be the puke. 67 is going to be some support. If you aren't making money, you aren't listening. This could bounce back up to 89. Needs to fail here. All right, I'm flat. All right, guys, this account's up 620. I'm done with that one. All right, let me change accounts here. Trendbot is long with 2. We're pushing point of control. Here we go. We're going back up to that 6. Pushing yesterday's close, and then I think we trade 39. Come on, push. Let's go. Come on, push. Got to get through 10. Come on, get through 10 and this thing goes. Just dead. It's dead right here. It's got to push through 10. Come on, buyers. Jesus, we have 1,700 buyers. We're not going anywhere. 1,700 buyers? We can't get through 10? There we go. Come on. Come on, big guy. Let's go. Through 10, 10 half. Let's go. Small sellers showing up. You fudge head. Come on. No. Let me get this out of here. Let me look at the bigger time frame. This is gonna go. Here it goes. Now it goes. Fucker. NASDAQ still long 2. Guys, I like the longs. 1,800 buyers. I just don't have shorts. And this should work up to 39. 28 is the same area of, problem. We've got some 10-minute resistance at 16 right here. It should push through. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Trend bot on the NASDAQ up 22.55. 22.55. There we go. 38. 39. That's next. And then 41. $2,000 net buyers. ES is long on the trend bot with 1. Traded right into that low volume area. Guys, give me 1 minute. Hourlies are short. 2 minutes are long. We need the 2 minute to roll again. Missed my short at that 30 area. Watching a 15 minute. ES is going to push up to 62, 63. $41 is probably the short. I don't think this goes higher than here. If it does, I think this fails again in that zone. No higher than that. Can't even get there. Anybody take the ES long? Here's ES. We held that zone. We should push to 62.5. Above that, 64. If it gets there. That's that red line I drew. I'm going to make that a little bit lower. I'll short 39. I may take some heat. This, it could bleed through, but I think it's not even going to get there. Maybe. 2,500 net buyers. 2,500. Okay, I'm short. Come on, suck back down. Come on, baby. Pull back. Give me target. Target filled. Will you look at that? Another winner chicken dinner, fellas. Come on, break down. I don't want it above that 36. A lot of buyers. A lot of buyers. I need sellers to come in. Now take it back to 22. That's where I'd like to get out, 22. Come on. There we go. Come on, give me 22, 23. Come on, dog. A little bit more. Small sellers in here. Sellers trying again. Buyers got them again. Come on, fail. Fail. Give me 22, 23. All right, I'm flat. Good for 460. Holding the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. Anybody take that short? That anybody did. You got that first target at 63.50. And then you've gotten second target at just above it. We could be rolling over. I'm looking to short this. 22.23 is going to be a shard of support. I'm going to move that off. I've manually moved the stop to break even on that. $300 sellers in this 3-minute bar. I don't think ES is going much higher from here, Phil. I don't think any of them are. Watch for the short here, but it's got to be below, probably below 20. A little bit of support here. It's starting to crack. There's your short. Ah, damn it. 22. I missed it at 22. I missed it. If we break below 9, we're coming back 93. Going to have some support at 06.5, which was yesterday's close. No bot trades. Sellers are coming in a little more aggressive now. Damn it. Holding the point of control. We are coming back to VWAP on the 10-minute. A break below on the 10-minute of 104, and this could just, I said my opinion was I thought this was a bull trap, and I still think it is. I think they're going to trap these buyers. Now we're below 2,000. They're selling them aggressively now. I'm going to short it in here. I know it's above VWAP, and I'm late on this short, but we're breaking that 09 area. And now I want to see this come down to 93 would be my final target. Held the 9-period moving average, but I still think this breaks down. That's why I'm holding this trade, guys. Let me see how much time I got left here on this bar. 10 seconds. I think we start to break down. This could pop back up to 23. If we drop below 06, it's coming down, I think, pretty hard. So I sold 7.5. Let's call it 3.5. 2.5. Come on, let's go, dingbat. Have sellers. Come on, give me that target. Oh, you dog. All right, target filled. Down to a runner, and I'm done with this account for the day. Done with this account today. 93.94 is final target. 93.94. Flat. This account is up 780. Let me change accounts. Anybody follow that trade? Okay, back in the game. Still think we're going to get 93.50, fellas. Okay, Charlie. It should come to 93. I don't look at, I'm not looking at a 1 minute cloud. It's going to come to that 240-minute support down here, 92, and then 86.50, I think. It's just uber slowing it. The 2 minute hasn't broken down yet. The top of the 2 minute cloud is 86. The 2 minute hasn't really broken down. It's pulled back. We still have 1,600 buyers. I mean, this could just be profit taking. This could be the start of the down move. I have no idea. I only know my levels. There we go. Too short on the trend bot. Minus 6 million barrels on CL. Distillates +3. Crude probably pops to 81.01. I'm not interested in touching crude. This should still get 93, 94. And then a bounce. All right, Stuart. See you tomorrow, man. Daily goal. Nice job. Is there anybody that's not making money? Anybody not making money? So I'm trading. All right, guys. I am trading a fourth account now. Okay. It's at 0. My goal every day is, 600 or so, 600 to 700 per account. I've got 3 over the hurdle. This will probably be the last one I trade. That's your resistance right there, 16. I'm waiting for the 2 minute to dust. The 2 minute hasn't failed yet. 2 minutes still above the cloud. The 10 minute is below. The hourly is below. So I'm shorts on the 10. I'm shorts on the 60. I'm long on the 2. I'm looking for a break below 98 now for the down move, this daily support here. Okay? Former daily support. We're coming to 93, fellas. I have no doubts. Below 1,600 buyers. Got 4 now on the trend bot. 4. I'm going to short this. I'm going to short this at 97. And I may have, this may pull back on me. Okay? For those of you guys that are in the order flow groups, this is my aggressive short. So this could pull back, this could bounce on me, but 97 is where this shorts, or at least starts to roll over. We're stuck at yesterday's close. We're basically flat on the day, up or down. All right, that's going to be one that wants to go the other way. New York City Mayor Adams going to propose new rules for ride-sharing vehicles. Anybody that's willing to take the illegal immigrants out of the city, you get a free car. At least a couple of you thought that was funny. Texas is sending 4 buses to New York City. Good. Good. We're just chopping here, fellas. We're just chopping around. I have my entry for the short. My bigger time frames are up. I mean down. The 2-minute is jerking us around. Just chop on the 2-minute. If the 2-minute breaks lower, that could be the start of it. Just doesn't want to break down. I mean, it's hard to do with 1,700 buyers. But that's where it dies. This could go back to 28 or above the point of control. All right. Back to 1,800 buyers. Here comes the long. I canceled the short. I'm going to take the long at the close of this candle. I'm long. Okay, you're going to get me? First losing trade today. You scumbag. Seriously. Now I'm going short, guys. As soon as this breaks lower, I'm going to be short. Short. I'm short. Missed target. Fucker. Missed target 1 by ticks. You scum. Get down here. Let's see here. 1037. 2-minute bar. Then I'm going to try to hold out for 74. Holding the whole number. Cannot hold long. Come on. Get down here. 1 candle. Got me. Come on. Have sellers, guys. I've got sellers. It just doesn't want to break down through this whole number. Come on. Let's go, doop-de-doo. You are just putrid. Nope. Back up. Just playing at VWAP. This is resistance here, 106. Back-to-back losing trades. You fudger. Still don't think it's going up. Bots in a short. You gotta be kidding me. Hang on, guys. This 2-minute is killing me. It's not a long. Give me a clean candle here. I'm just getting chopped. That's all that's happening here. I'm going to hit this again. on a break below VWAP. Fucking chop. Hanging out at 1,900 buyers now. I almost think you got to go take the long. Back up to 27. This is where I took the long before and it failed. The short failed on the break. If we get through this area here, I'll try it long one more time. But we're just chopping here. With 2,100 buyers, chopping just doesn't seem possible. Support is 07. Get through this resistance here, and I'm going to hit it long again, for better or worse. I've got the buyers. I just don't know why we're not running away with this. All right, I'm flat. That's it. I'm done. I'm done trying to catch this. This has got to be closed. This is going to go long. Closed. Jesus Christmas, 2,100 net buyers and this thing won't move 10 handles. Trendbot's got 4 on. There it goes. All right, guys, here's where we're at. NASDAQ Trendbot's up 1455. And we're getting a little sloppy. ES Trendbot is up 6. I don't know how it's up 688, but that's the number. With 2 on short. If you guys have made your money, take your money and run. $2,300 buyers. We've got to get to 27. There it is, pushing this resistance zone again, maybe up to 41. If we break above 41, God damn it, I knew this thing was going. If we break above that 41, 42, we probably make 53. 2,400 buyers, still a lower high. Down to 1,600. All right, now has 5 on short on the Trendbot. For those of you guys that are on trial, I explained how the Trendbot works in the email. As averages cross, it adds to the position. And now we're just kind of getting chopped around. Here's first area of resistance, 07.5. Qs are breaking down below VWAP, so I don't know how NASDAQ. Qs are just farting around here. Above this, it goes 15. Okay, close the trade. I'm going to shut the bots off, guys. They're just getting beat up now. TrendBot is still up 555. God, this is ugly. Back to 2,000 buyers. Seriously. I mean, this is just bonkers, fellas. I like the longs again, but it's just not. I mean, 2,200 buyers, it won't go anywhere. This candle close, you can try the long again, but this candle has to close. Back up to 39, 27 anyways. What is a minute? I got the bots off. Apparently I don't. I guess I didn't turn the ES off. Back up to 2,300 buyers and no movement. Yeah, Mark. I mean, you're watching me trade the bots, right? And you're seeing me get chopped. I closed them. They're still green, but they're chopping up now. There is no trend. There's no trend. I mean, there are no dang sellers here. There's no reason to be short. But this just does not want to go anywhere with 2,200 buyers. I mean, I can't. I mean, I just don't know why this thing won't do anything anywhere. Got buyers. I mean, we're really going to wait on FOMC minutes? I mean, if you're aggressive, you can short the NASDAQ here with a stop at 141. I'm not, but I'm not doing it. I mean, this is just cuckoos. Look at this range. There's no range. Shut your bots off. Let's see what happens at the top of the hour. I mean, ideally, we get a move higher to short. Look at, let me explain this profile. You see this profile? All we're doing is basically trapped in this. That's where we're trapped. We can't trade this. I mean, you can buy the bottom and sell it at the top, or sell the top and, buy it back at the bottom. But, this area in here is still a rejection area. But there's nothing going on in the middle of this profile. I mean, absolutely nothing. Let me look at a bigger time frame. All right, so here's the hourly, right? We're well below this. Look, this is 240 minutes, right? We're right in the middle of this kind of technically bull flag, I guess, right? It's only a bull flag if it breaks out. This is the rejection area here. That's another one here at 146. And then this 240-minute resistance from way back here. But this 140 area held once. So this is a 60-minute, right? Now we're back at value area high. This is a better short than a long, right? We're right at the top of value. 27, what's it pulled back? 5 handles. This looks like it wants to go up back into that zone. It's surely got the buyers to break out if it wants to. But break out to where? Maybe it can get 172. This former point of control. I wouldn't bank on it, but hourly's 154. We get up anywhere near 154. If it gets above that 155, it can get 173 on the hourlies. I don't know that it can. I mean, there's a whole hell of a lot of buying here, but to go nowhere. No idea, Mark. No idea. I can only trade what I see. I personally don't think the market cares much about FOMC, the minutes. I don't think they care. We've had a gazillion Fed speakers since that came out, and they all effectually say the same thing. So now we should pull back to the point of control, 13. And then if that breaks down, we could pull back down into here, 89. Waiting for Europe to close and do something, but I don't know that it's going to be higher. I have no idea. For all I know, this is all retail buying this up here. I don't know, Arjan. I don't know. We can't expand this range far enough to give me a damn trade. You know, summer. I am not going to share TrendBot settings. No. No, guys, I have been very clear from the onset. I'll tell you what I'm using, but I have been clear from the onset regarding the TrendBot. Unlike the original bot where I did all the back testing and I did all the work and shared all of the settings with you guys, I'm not doing that on the TrendBot. What I've done on the TrendBot, one, operator error, which Floyd caught in the room yesterday. I had a daily draw set at $900. Now, if I hit 900, obviously the bot won't take any more trades, right? Same as the original. If you hit your daily draw, it won't trade. So if your first trade's a $900 loser, it's done. So I removed that. I put it at 2,500. I also deleted the high water mark. My opinion, please focus on what I'm saying. My opinion is it works in theory, but in reality, I don't care for it because it was knocking me out of trades. I also took off the per trade goal, per trade loss. I got rid of that. And it may have been that was knocking me out of the trades, not the high water mark. I don't know. But I kept getting knocked out of trades. So I took all of that stuff off. And currently, here is the ES. The ES is up. I don't know how it's 913. I don't know how it gets at 13. Well, I guess it could have been 912.50 and it can't show that. The ES is up $900. And the NASDAQ is up 555. Lost 900 on the last trade. Okay, rounds up decimals. Yeah, so Floyd just popped in. And obviously this is his love child. He and others are doing many dozens of sim permutations trying to find the absolute best settings, time settings, et cetera, et cetera. When that's done, Deepak will have a spreadsheet. And I just missed another damn short. Same place. God dang it. When that's done, Deepak will have a spreadsheet for everybody. Yeah, that's fine, Floyd. I know how to do it. I just forgot to do it, so it's in a trade, and I'll let it do its own thing. I'm trying to stick around till 11:30 to see if anything is going to go on here, but it kind of appears that it is not. I still think we're going to trade back down to yesterday's low. Losing buyers again. I think the next stop is 94. I mean, it's really been a long while since we've seen such sluggish price action. Really sluggish price action. And it's been like this for an hour. I mean, this doesn't even want to break here. 102.0250. Come on, break. Break 100. Good God almighty. There we go. All right, guys, we're breaking down on the 2 minute.